friends. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Cochrane, Alberta, a charming town nestled in the picturesque Bow River Valley. Cochrane is located just 18 kilometers west of Calgary, making it a perfect blend of small-town living with easy access to big city amenities. The town is surrounded by stunning natural landscapes, including the majestic Rocky Mountains to the west, offering breathtaking views and plenty of outdoor activities for nature lovers. Cochrane was established in 1881 and was originally known as the Cochrane Ranch. It was named after Senator Matthew Henry Cochrane, a prominent rancher and businessman who played a significant role in the development of the region. The town quickly grew as a center for ranching and agriculture thanks to its fertile land and abundant water supply from the Bow River. Whether you're exploring the historic downtown area, enjoying a stroll along the river, or taking in the views from Cochrane Hill, you'll find that Cochrane is a town with a unique charm and a proud history. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Cochrane, Alberta.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!